Welcome to another lecture on computer aided engineering graphics lab AutoCAD software. In this video we are going to discuss projection of planes problem. Projection of planes, I will choose this example problem. Draw the projections using a CAD software of a regular pentagonal lamina of side 25 mm having its corners in HP. See, the type of the polygon is pentagonal lamina. The side is 25 mm, corner is resting on HP and its surface is inclined at 45 degree to HP. This is the question. So, for that question I have made the border and I have written the given data also. Pentagon 25 mm, corner is, surface inclination is 45 degree. So, first of all we have to create a pentagon directly, okay, using this drop down menu. Initially it was a rectangle, but you have to change this into polygon. Okay, once you have selected the polygon, it is asking enter the number of sides. So, we can, for pentagon it is 5, na? So you have to press 5 and then specify the center point of the polygon. You no need to specify the center point. Instead of that you can specify the edges. So you can prefer the first end point will be somewhere here and the second end point you can always prefer this ortho mode and the second end point will be somewhere here. Okay. So you can check whether the dimension, that is 25, is there or not, right? So from here to here 23, but actually from here to here is 29. So we have not at all selected the original dimension. So no need to worry. Okay, you can simply delete this, recall the pentagon polygon again. Number of sides is 5. Specify the center of the polygon. The first end point will be here and second end point is 25. Now you can check whether we have created the correct polygon. Now you can see we have created 25 mm. So like this only you can also decide whether we have created 25 mm correctly or not. But again I have intentionally did a mistake. What is that? See, I didn't selected this, I didn't drawn this using object layer. You can change the layer later. See, in this layer you can change this to object, but still intentionally I have drawn using edge rest condition, but actually the question which is given here is corner resting condition. So we have to tilt or you have to rotate on this direction, right? So for that rotate command is being used. So which objects to be rotated? This entire objects to be rotated. Press enter, specify the base point. This is the base point and you can rotate up to 180 degree. See, now the corner is resting on the left hand side, but again the pentagon has gone somewhere else. So I have to move this pentagon. For that you can select you can give the move command, select the objects to be moved, press enter and then move your pentagon wherever you want, but you can make sure you have just turned off the ortho mode, because if you have turned on the ortho mode it will move only 0 and 90 degree. So that's why turn off the ortho mode and move wherever you want. Now you can say we have created the pentagon of corner rest and the dimension is 25 mm. See, I can select the projections, annotate linear dimension and I can give the name also, right, 25 mm. Okay. So if I want to create yes, already exists there here. So simply Control C and Control V, and for this corner I am picking A. Similarly for this corner B, for this corner it is C, and this will be D, Control C and Control V, and this will be E, right? Okay. Okay, we have created the notation, we have created the dimensions, no issues. So what we have to do is we have to create the projection lines, right? Projection line, for that projection layer, and click line command. From here to here there is a line again. From here to, you can turn on the ortho mode, then it will be good. Here again there is a line, and then from here to here. Yes, we have completed the top view, right? And now we are going to draw the front view, but you know very well you should select the object line, and then from this point to this point. Yes, step 1. And yes, you can go to this and give some name for this point. This will be A dash, this point is A dash, and this point is B dash of E dash, right? And then this point is C dash of D dash. Okay, we have created this. And then now the second is surface inclination 45 degree with respect to HP. Which line should be tilted? This line. So I am going to make a copy of this line. This line should be copied, so based on this point, and I will be, you can keep anywhere you want. I'm just keeping here. See again, yes, copy command. This line should be copied based on this point, and you can drag and move somewhere. Yes, a copy has been created. If you want move further also, it is possible. Move command, object, specify the base point, you can move. Yes, we have moved to a reasonable distance, right? Now I need to rotate this line at an angle of 45 degree. For that, rotate command has been used. Select this object, not this one. Copy command, select this object, press enter, specify the base point, and not this one. Copy, see, sorry, rotate command, this object, specify the base point, angle is 45. See, it is created, but we don't know where this B dash and where this C dash and all, right? So this is what we have to found now. See, actually in order to do that, we can able to measure the distance. That is one method. See, from A dash to B dash, how much it is? 14.69. And then from B dash to C dash, 78. So like this, there's another method is there. Let me tell you. So you can simply delete this line. This method is somewhat tedious, so I will tell you the simple method for you. You can simply create a point. That is very easy than this point, and you can specify a point here. So you can check whether point type is somewhere like this. Yes, you can increase the ratio also, and yes, now you can create point and specify the another point here, create point, another point is here. Now you can able to copy this entire line. Okay, so based on this point I am copying, and I will move somewhere here. Now I will tilt. It's very easy, because that the previous method is somewhat difficult for you people. and object has been selected. This is the base point and the angle is 45. Okay, so now the thing is very easy. Projection layer line command, from here to here there is a line, again call the line command. From this point again there is a vertical line command, like this. After that, from D, from C, from B, from E and from A. Okay, and we can keep the point, yes, before that we will make the notation here. This will be A1 and this 1 should be in the suffix, and then we can copy this and keep it here, and this will be B1 and this 1 should be in the suffix. Similarly, this will be E1, E will be in the suffix. C1, D1. Okay, and you can, if you want to mention the angle also, it is possible. Right, now I am going to keep a pointer wherever we have the intersection. A1 dash and A1 vertical, there is a point again, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1, E1. Okay, so what I have to do is I will call the line command from here to here, and then from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and then here to here. That's all. We can trim off the excess edges and you can give the name. B1, sorry, okay, B1, control C, control V, this may be the C1, control C and control V, B1, and this is E1. And if you want to write, final front view, and you can change this also. You can drag here and here. This is nothing but final top. All dimensions are in mm. If you want to change the that's all. See, I'm just going to save this project as a unit 3 and I'm going to convert this to PDF. Print plot AutoCAD equality print 297 window, this window, center the plot, landscape, click OK. Yes. Usually the point will be seen somewhat larger, but it's okay. This is the procedure. If you want to reduce the point type also, you can do. Okay, this is in the P type. So instead of 6, you can give 3. Then the point size will be reduced. That's all. So thank you.